So hey guys, we have already caught a glimpse of the Pixel Fold in a hands-on video, but it didn't reveal too much of the device. Luckily, Google has came to our rescue and officially unveiled the Pixel Fold in all its glory. It's official, Google has just unveiled its very first foldable phone called Pixel Fold. We were expecting to see this device during the Google I/O event on May 10 and finally it's here. Although we don't have any info yet about its specs and pricing, we do get to take a look at what the phone looks like in a short clip. Check it out. So Google just dropped a little sneak peek video of their upcoming device and the catchphrase was "May the Fold be with you." Followed by that, made by Google's Twitter account let us all know that the launch date is set for the May 10th. So by the looks of it, the new video of the Pixel Fold supports the leaked images that came out earlier. Rumor has it that Google is going all out to make sure the device has a strong hinge. When folded, the small screen should be around 5.8 inches while the bigger main screen could be up to 7.6 inches. But the word on street is that the bezels around the main display are quite chunky. I'm still surprised and can't believe how huge those screen bezels are on the Pixel Fold. In this day and age, it seems like all other phone brands are trying to go for a sleek and seamless design, but Google is doing the opposite. Surprisingly, there are still some folks who are into that style, but personally, I'm not feeling it. The Pixel Fold is going to be a hit with folks who want a foldable phone with a bigger outer screen and a better zoom camera, two areas where the Galaxy Z Fold falls short. Sure, Samsung might beef up its covered display with the upcoming Fold 6 model, but for now the Pixel Fold seems like a great choice for those who don't want to compromise. So tell me your thoughts on the Pixel Fold in the comment section down below. And hey, if you're feeling it, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the next one.